Josh. I'm going to show you my new daily, the parts runner, the old ball and chain. It's my 2007 Chevy Tahoe LT. So the Tahoe has about 200,000 miles on it, but it runs very smooth. The suspension's clean. We got nice leather seats in the front with that scratchy black plastic trim and that wood grain. Very comfortable, a lot of leg room, especially in the back too. We've got captain's chairs with armrests and a lot of space out back. The two back seats got taken out, so I said to hell with that. More space for cargo and other luggage. So here under the hood, we got the 5.3 Vortec, classic Chevy truck motor. Some possible upgrades that I might want to do. I want to drive it as a daily first, but aftermarket camshaft, cylinder heads, definitely a cold air intake, maybe even some headers, true dual exhaust, who knows. You might see this thing out on the road, slammed on the ground, doing some burnouts. But for now, we're gonna be towing with it. There are a couple things wrong with the Tahoe. First of all, the fuel gauge is kind of wonky, but typical Chevy thing. Another thing is this door likes to fill up with water whenever you wash it, or especially in heavy rain, which this paint is very clean, it's a nice black. So if there were any scratches on it, you could see immediately, and there's really not. But I wanna be able to wash the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this window seal because it's all dry rotted. Good as new.